I was in the shop ordering some things to look up for some breakfast for my baby. When I come to the shop between 72 and Drake's Road, I was over the shop buying some things. Then when I come, I see a bread van right here, and then I see this missing truck going up, and then I see another truck coming down, and then I see the truck licking that truck, and then I hear everybody bawl out, "Wanna come take him out, him dead," and same time when I went out of the shop, I see a taxi man, and then about 5 somebody help him to take him out, and then him start supposed to go into the car and came to hospital named Kimani Walker, and him ball same down here and foot broke and him hip broken.